The best things in life are free. It is certain that some things that we can enjoy in our life are free, but most of them are very expensive and not everyone can afford it. However, if we consider the meaning of free, what do you mean by that? Without cost of any kind to anyone at any time, past, present, or future, it would be hard to find anything that is free. Every aspect in life carries some sort of commitment. One example is a software. We all know that the software is a set of instructions, data, programs that is used to operate computers and execute a specific task, such as managing the computer operating system, document databases, and many more uses of computers. So, without software, most computers would be useless. For example, without your internet browser software, you could not surf the internet and do your homeworks and paperworks. So, late submission. Without an operating system, the browser cannot run on your computer. Software can be categorized according to what is designed to accomplish. Well, there are two types of software. First is the system software. So the system software includes the programs that are dedicated to managing the computer itself, such as operating system, file managing utilities, and disk operating system. Second, the application software. So the application software are often called productivity programs because they are enable the user to complete tasks such as creating documents, spreadsheets, databases, and publication, doing online researches, sending email, running businesses, and even playing games. Application software is specific to the task it is designed for and can be as simple as calculator application or as complex as word processing application. So now, let's proceed to the distinction between the free and paid software. Almost seems irrelevant when you consider quality. It doesn't matter in terms of support. When you pay for software, you will get a support systems that go with it, regular upgrades. Software publishers who are more interested in what you want to do with the software than what they want to do with it, and more responsive technical support. Also, you can get the God-given right to say like, "Hello, I've got a problem with your software and I'd like your assistance in fixing it." So, something like that. So in general, when you pay for the software, you have the support system. While on the other hand, some developers who offer free software, notably those include ads on mobile platforms, might find themselves a little more inclined to solve problems. Developers of free apps don't really have an obligation to their users. This may result in fewer users, but that's the only real disadvantage of this poor support. When an app developer gives away their app away. For some, free software can meet all their needs. Free software does not mean zero cost software. I also experienced trying free photo editing. I tried using PizUp because my mom told me to edit her picture. That's actually my first time using a photo editor. So after a few trials, the picture does not meet my satisfaction. In the end, I closed the PizUp and told her to give it to my brother because I can't edit her photo. So using free apps or software also do have cost. It costs time and effort. So when it comes to more professional use cases, however, you may need paid software for a specific kind of task, and or because you need to work with a platform other professionals use. The real answer is you can use the free software the most part. So if you want an alternative notepad, you can get an awesome Notepad++. If you want an office suite, you have Google Docs and LibreOffice. In the end of the argument really comes down to quality. You can debate whether MS Office is better than LibreOffice for ours, so in the end, use what suits you best. If you don't need an advanced feature of paid software, use the free app instead. If that changes, you can always buy professional app. One option doesn't trump the all other in all cases. It really comes down to you on what personally suits you best. So, thank you and blessed be God forever.